Good afternoon, y'all. How you doing? Well, I know the videos are gonna start getting a little further apart, maybe 2 days apart instead of every other day, because we don't have Wi-Fi. Have you noticed that most of the places you go that are fantastic and beautiful, you don't have Wi-Fi? That's just the way it works. So what I'm going to do is, we're not too far from town, so we will go to Walmart and upload our videos from there. But let me show you where we're at. Got us a nice wooded site. We were supposed to go to Mooresville, North Carolina to see family, but it's raining like cats and dogs there. So we decided to come over here to Davidson River Campground, which is in Brevard, North Carolina. This is just dry camping here. There's no electrical. There's water dispersed throughout the park. But here we are, set up here just fine. And this park was built for tent camping, basically. But the sites are big enough for an RV. Yay! I seen a 40-footer in here a while ago. So, but each site has a picnic table, a very heavy picnic table because we tried to move it and we can't. A firing grill and a light post. It's very nice. You can hear the traffic in the background. That's Highway 276. But let me show you what we're going to hear very nicely at night. And you can hear a little bit of it now because it's right across the street from us. Right across the street from our campsite. Let's see if you can see our campsite. Very nice. Mr. Childers is sitting over there, just all resting and everything. Look at him with his feet up. They can hear you. Say hello.
Hello, y'all.
All right, we're going to take this little path right down here. That's nice, isn't it? That is very, very nice. I'm in heaven. Isn't that awesome? Yep. That is so cool. Camped next to this river, you can hardly hear the traffic. I love it. This is one of our most favorite campgrounds ever. We used to come here and tent camp all the time. Now I'm going to take you down to the swimming hole. Woohoo! And I can't believe there's nobody down here. Normally, when we camp here, we are usually on the other side, away from the highway. But this was all they had left for walk-in. And y'all know we just fly by the seat of our pants, so hey, love it. Now on a very hot day, you'll see people down here floating down the river. It's awesome. Awesome. And this is nice and calm right here, but you got little rapids further down the river. The awesome thing is, this path runs right along the river. It's awesome. And look right there. Bam. So pretty here. So pretty. And that is some clean water, people. Clean water. Very rocky, but it's clean. I love that. I love that sound. Very, very cool. So yes, we're hanging out here, trying to stay away from the rain. Our family is disappointed that we didn't come, but you know, we don't want to get stuck. we were going to be in Bobby's cousin's driveway, and his driveway is not paved, and so we're a little worried we might get stuck. So we're gonna hang out here. Hey, it costs $22 a night. I know, no amenities, but they have great bathhouses here, and they built some new ones, so that's fabulous. And the other thing is, with the senior pass, because this is a national forest, it only cost us $11 a night. I'll take this, $11 a night, and we're only 2 miles from town, and I feel like we're out in the middle of the forest. I'll take it any day of the week. Y'all got anything to say? What are you thinking, Lily? See, Lily's a happy camper because she gets to have the door open so she can see out and be Miss Watchdog.
Yeah.
And what about you, Mr. Childers?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm just taking it all in.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's pretty nice. Hard to beat this park. It's a nice park. I think we're about a quarter of a mile, maybe half mile back in here. We can furthest campsite in.
Right.
But it's right on the river here. The bend of the river is behind us. But this is a really nice park. But anyway, we'll do what we have to do here to relax.
That's right. All right. Talk to y'all soon.